Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my latest piece? A bit different to usual. It's inspired by Mrs. Beeton's book of household management. In particular, the bit where she takes a swan and stuffs it with a peacock, with a chicken, and then with a guinea fowl, and it just goes down and smaller. 5 birds, I think. In Louisiana, one of their favourite dishes is called a turducken, which is a turkey with a duck inside it, with a chicken inside that. And it just goes to prove that just because you can do something doesn't mean that you should. Anyway, here's my version. And as you can see, we've got a pelican, inside which is a swan, inside which is a cockatoo, and inside that is a purple finch. And the eyes, the 4 eyes, are getting progressively smaller as we go in. Now it's finished. I called it Avian Diversity, and I'm thinking now that it's a metaphor for cultural diversity, even our diversity, human diversity, and us. And I hope that the verse which I've written to accompany this helps to illustrate that. It goes like this: Avian Diversity. This piece tries to set out whether birds of a different feather can still flock together.